Cheto darpana marjanam. Cheto means mind, and darpana means mirror, and marjana means clean. So one point is there, if we will chant Krishna's name, our mind will clean, and we can see, as in mirror we are able to see our face, similar in outside face, but inside we cannot see. So when this mind mirror will be clean by the chanting Krishna's name, we can see our soul. I am a soul, we cannot see, but when it mind will clean, we will see. This type of profit we will get by chanting Krishna's name. One profit. Second profit. Bhava Maha Davagni Nirvapanam. Bhava means this material world, our samsar, our material life, like children, husband, friend, money, our land, our house. We have so much attachment, and we cannot cut our attachment. We think when I will become young, I will leave this thing. How much we become old, that much attachment it increase. So never this attachment finish. Always it is increasing and increasing. Like it is example of Bhava Mahadavagni. This Bhava, this material life, material world is an example like an forest fire. Forest fire. Mahadavagni. Davagni means forest fire. You know how in forest fire the fire is going on? You know? There is no one going there to put fire to burn the trees. But in summer season, one tree to other tree, they are crossing, and the fire is coming from that cross, and this forest is burning. So to stop the burning, many systems if we will adopt, also we cannot stop, because it's so furious. One by tree, there is so many trees, so many leaves are there, you cannot stop this tree. Similarly, our material life attachment, we cannot stop. As much we try, it will increase and increase. So how we can stop the forest fire? No damkal, only rain. Only one method, rain. If heavy rain will come, then forest fire will stop. Similarly, as much we try this to stop our material life attachment, we cannot stop. It will increase and increase like a forest fire. But when we chant Krishna's name, too much, no little rain, too much chanting, too much affection to love to Krishna, then this attachment will be. When attachment will start to Krishna, detachment will be from material life. So if we will love and attach to chant Krishna name, then this material life attachment will finish. No more karma will cause to another life, will finish. So this is second profit of chanting Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Then he told another profit by chanting. Nirvapanam means when put water it will finish, stop. Nirvapanam. Nishesana completely finish. Davagni means forest fire. Maha means great forest fire. And Bhava means material life. And Nirvapana means will stop. So Bhava Mahadavagni means here one word means our material life attachment and all karma bandhana will close. No karma bandhan. There is no cause will for other birth. This is to profit from this chanting. Then he told Shreyah Kaurava Chandrika Vitarana. Kaurava Chandrika Vitaranakari. Shreyah Kaurava Chandrika. Shreya means Mangal, auspicious. Kaurava Chandrika. Kaurava Chandrika Vitaranam. Kaurava Chandrika means you know, I don't know English name. Lotus flower, you know. Another lotus flower when sun rise, lotus flower blow. And another flower like lotus flower, that is coin flow, we are telling. It is when the moon is come. That is. So, Shreyah Kaurava Chandrika Vitaranam. So, moon is cool. Moon is cool. When moon will appear, it is cool. And when you chant, your all tension will go. No any tension. Then Shreyah Kaurava Chandrika Vitaranam. One lily flower will blow in your head. Auspicious. Here the flower is similar to auspicious things will be create. When you chant, many auspicious things will come to you. When we do some bad work, so many bad things will come. This type, this problem. But when you chant, everywhere will be good. There will be no more tension. There will be no more any bad effect. No bad circumference. So, third profit, if someone chant Krishna's name, Shreyah Kaurava Chandrika Vitarana. Means this lily flower or what? Lily flower will be blow in your head. Means lily flower not here means lily flower means Mangalam. Auspicious things will come to us by chanting. Then Vidya Badhu Jivanam. This is Vidya is like a woman. Badhu, you know Badhu. Those are newly married. We call them Badhu. They are shy. They cover their face, like etc. See, like this. All there is so many Vidya. There is so many Vidya. Among the material Vidya, Vidya means knowledge. Among material knowledge, spiritual knowledge is the most important, more valuable. But among all the spiritual knowledge, chanting is the life of that Vidya. Jivanam means life. Now this body is very beautiful, but I have no life. Then, not honest, this body is not workable, not valuable, not no any value of this body. If there is no life, body is no value. Similarly, if someone is not chanting, the chanting Mahamantra is the life of all type of knowledge. Maybe one person have no knowledge, but he is chanting. Then good. Maybe one person is not beautiful, but he have life. So he is workable. But if someone body is beautiful but no life, what can do? So the life of all knowledge is Sri Krishna chanting name. Sri Krishna's chanting name. Mahaprabhu said another place, Sarva Shastra Padhiyao Tahara Durgati Hena Krishna Name Jaro Nahi Ratimati. One person read all Veda, Upanishad, all scriptures, but he has no interest to chanting Mahamantra. Everything is valueless. Sarva Shastra Padhiyao Tahara Durgati. Never he will get any auspicious. Any problem, because when we are doing so many things, always many problems. many mistake, no problem, many mistake. Now we are worshipping. We touched here, we touched there, we are cooking. There is also mistake because we are cannot be clean everything. We are not properly doing. So if there is some mistake, how it will be mistake will destroy. This all mistakes, all aparadha, seva aparadha will destroy by the chanting Mahamantra. So if someone is not chanting, means his everything is valueless. So Jivanam, Vidya, that's why it is called Vidya Vadhu Jivan. Understand? The life of all type of knowledge, of material knowledge as well as spiritual knowledge. So now we heard about 4 benefits we will get through chanting Mahamantra. Then told Ananda Ambudhi Vardhanam Pratipadam. Ananda Ambudhi Vardhanam. Ananda means Ananda means happiness. Ambudhi means Ambu means Jala. Tani. Water. Jala means water. Dhi means Samudra. Jala Ambudhi means Samudra. So Ananda Ambudhi, the ocean of happiness, will Vardhanam, will increase. We are working day and night for why? To get happiness. But we are working, but we are our mind is not working properly, so we are working this to get happiness. But we get distress from that work. But if someone want to increase happiness, it will increase through this only Krishna. Ananda Ambudhi Vardhanam. It will increase the happiness. Then told Pratipadam Purna Amrita Aswadanam. Pratipadam Purna Pratipadam. Step by step, in every step. Hare Krishna means Hare one step, Krishna one step, then Hare one step, Krishna one step. In every step, Pratipadam Purna Amrita Aswadanam means when we get happiness from food, means I like Rasagolla, maybe on a sweet, and the name of sweet is Rasagolla. I like. I ate one, more happy. 2, I take 2, then more happy. I 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then decrease. But here in Krishna name, as much you chant, it will increase and increase, never decrease. But this material happiness, by eye, by nose, by ear, or by touch, or by tongue, whatever we are testing happiness, there is a limit. You cannot go beyond the limit of this material happiness. If you go beyond, it will decrease happiness, and not only decrease, you will punish and you will be distressed, you will be unhappy. If you eat more, indigestion will come, diarrhea will come, dehydration will come, many problems will come. But in Krishna name, Pratipadam Purna Amrita, no little also. You will taste more nectar and nectar every step. So this is one problem. Ananda Buddhivardhanam Pratipadam Purna Amrita Aswadanam. Okay? Then Sarvatma Snapanam Parang Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. So we see a beautiful scene, maybe a nice garden and a nice. So this happiness to came to where? If we listen, this happiness will come to ear. But in Krishna name, it will taste to all the senses. It will cool all the senses. Not only if you chant, only tongue will happiness. पूर्ण प्रतिपद सर्वात्म snapana. Sarva atma snapana means all the senses, including mind, will cool, will get happy. Through all the senses, by chanting only, you will get happiness by eye, you can get happiness by ear, because when you chant, you listen. When you chant also, you can, Krishna's picture will come in your mind. And this name also is like a sweet, sweeter than sweet. This is, when you chant, you will feel you are eating sweet. So this type of all the senses, five senses and mind six will be cool. Cool means get happy and they are nice. So Purna Sarvatma Snapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. And another profit, Param Vijayate. Whatever you do by chanting, you will be get victory. Param Vijayate. Wherever you go, whatever you want to do, you can do everything. There is no any obstacle will come, because Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Devotee by chanting whatever he want to do, he can do. There is no there will be no obstacle will come, because Nama Chintamani Krishna, there is, because Nitya Suddha Purna Mukta Abhinatvat Nama Namina. Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Nama is Chintamani. You know, Chintamani means jewel. Chinta means thinking. There is one jewel. If you put in hand and you think, I need now nice food, food will come to you. I need now 5,000 rupees. This rupees will come to you. That is a jewel, Chintamani. This name, Krishna name is like Chintamani. You chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. You see, you chant and you think, I want to be a very rich man. I want this job. I want this. I want this. Whatever you want, you will get. But devotee, they don't promise to get anything, because it is an obstacle of chanting. So they don't need. Oh, now you chant, you wish and money will come. Then you tension where I have to put it in which bank, where what how I have to use it. Then so many time loss. So that I don't need money. Because happiness is coming in chanting, not in money. So they don't need. Sometimes then the beginners, they need something, the chanting they are getting. Then they becomes bored. More tension from that is coming. So no. Krishna, I don't want any more these things. I want only to chant your name. Param Vijay means also it is which is very impossible to get from this world to spiritual world. In this world, people are working for money, for this. They can get, but they cannot achieve, they cannot arrive in spiritual world by this material work. Only the way to go spiritual abode of Sri Krishna, Golok Vrindavan or Vaikuntha Dham, the method is to chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Okay? Thank you.